Welcome everybody to the Willwood model at the Woodlands of Lyon. Today we're touring this brand new construction made by Pulte Homes. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a total of 3,290 square feet, and is listed on the market for $850,000. And today we're going to be showing you inside. I also want to thank Pulte Homes for letting us tour this listing, and also I'm not representing Pulte in any way, rather just helping to bring buyers and showcasing this amazing home to you. So behind me is the beautiful property and the stunning exterior. I love the stone color that's wrapped all the way around the house. The roof is brand new, of course. And then you also have the dark vinyl as well. It complements the white from the windows, and the contrast looks amazing. You have landscaping at the front of the house here, very nicely done. And at the back, there's also a deck that we're going to cover later on in the video. To the right, you have the garage, and to the right of that, this is the model home, but you'll have your motor court on the side of that. And that's it for the exterior of the home. Now let's go take a look inside. Welcome to the interior of the Willwood model. This is your foyer. To the left, you have your formal dining room, which is what we're gonna cover first. Take a look at this space. The furniture is so welcoming here. I love the tones, and very spacious on both sides as well. To my left, you have these huge casement windows facing the front of the house that bring in a ton of natural light, a great space to host guests. You have this beautiful stainless steel chandelier above the dining table. And also on this side, you have a hallway that leads to the kitchen as well. So you have this entry and that way as well. Now, to the right, across the hall, you have your study. You have 2 large windows here as well, bringing in a ton of natural light. The 2 tones here are really nice with the dark grays and the white. The furniture is curated very well. Now, before we continue, I want to cover the specs of this home. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a total of 3,290 square feet. It's currently listed on the market for $850,000. And I also would like to thank Pulte Homes for letting us tour this listing. And also, I'm not representing Pulte in any way. Rather, all I'm doing is helping to bring buyers and showcasing to you this amazing property. Now let's continue the tour. Now, as you exit this study, to my right, you have a powder room located right there. You have a coat closet right next to that. And then to my right, you have your basement door. This goes down to the basement. It is unfinished, but of course you can add that feature as well and get your basement finished. Now let's take a look at your great room. Such a beautiful space. Modern touches and old school touches are blended so well together here. The colors are very inviting. You have this huge, massive fireplace that leads all the way up to this top, and the stonework complements the colors of the home really well. You have a space for a large TV here. You have 6 huge windows facing this side of the house. A ton of natural light's gonna come in as well. And I really love this table. This table kind of looks like a seat, but it's actually like an ottoman type of table right at the center of it all. Imagine coming here after a long day, sitting and relaxing and just talking to your family, having some food. Very nice. Now, over here you have your kitchen. We're gonna start with this side here first. You have your coffee bar here, which has this beautiful backsplash, and that's on the other side as well. You have white cabinetry with the black finishes. You have all KitchenAid appliances in this kitchen. You have your fridge. You have your stovetop, a hood vent up above. Again, that backsplash adds a really, really clean touch. You have a microwave and 2 ovens on this side. And right at the center of it all, you have this massive island. You have bar seating on that side as well. These are actually quartz countertops. You can see it's a little bit of a fine grain stone in this. And then also this one is a little bit thinner. These are the standard quartz, but you can also get them thicker as well. And above that, you have these glass light fixtures that are shaped kind of like a teardrop. Very cool. And that leads right to your informal dining room. First of all, take a look at this table. This is so cool. Whatever stone this is, really nice. It can accommodate 6 people here. It seamlessly goes from the kitchen to here to your sunroom. Speaking of which, take a look at how beautiful this is. Sun is coming in right now and warming up this space. And if it does get too warm, You have a ceiling fan right up above to cool off the space. You have massive windows that wrap around the sunroom. Such a cozy space. Right next to that, you have a door that leads out to the deck. We're gonna cover that later in the video. Now there's another spot here that this home has. Pulte does a great job of this. They have a study and nook. Take a look at this. This is your study or nook area. This is great for anyone of all ages. I mean, kids can come here and color and do their thing and study in the evening time while you're cooking. And you have this window, of course, where you can see on that side. And then you have this window illuminating this space as well. I love this area. Right across from that, you have a pantry. Plenty of space in there. And the engineered hardwood floors actually continue right into this as well. This whole first floor has that. Now this room here is a little bit different. This is your flex room. What it means by flex is it's a multi-purpose room essentially. So this can actually be even extended more and made into a guest suite. Or you can just have this as an office or a bit of a storage room, if you will. Or you can turn it into a game room too. You have a window on this side, a casement window, nice curtains. You can make it into a study as well. You have your bookshelves and you have carpet in this room. Very nicely done. Now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. So as you come upstairs to my right, you have this opening where you can see downstairs into the living room. As you can see, very, very expansive. And I love this two-tone on the railing here as well. It adds a really nice touch. We're gonna start on my left with the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom of the home. This bedroom comes with its own full bathroom and of course a closet as well with these sliding doors. So you have this, very nice feature, very seamless and clean. You have two large windows in this room and you have pot lights on the ceiling as well. And take a look at this full bathroom. So just like the kitchen, this bathroom has quartz countertops here as well. And actually one thing I forgot to mention, the cabinet color is actually a quill color and it complements it really nice. And of course you have your stand-in shower with the sliding glass doors. And that covers that room. Now to my left, as you exit this room, you have your loft. So in your loft, you have plenty of space both ways. You got your couch on this side, TV on this side here, or you can actually put a projector right here as well and project your movie right there. You have two large windows on this side, and then you have this nice little pattern backdrop on this wall. And I also wanted to mention that we actually did a home tour on the Skyview model in the Ballantyne neighborhood in Northville. And this home gives a very similar feel to that one. And that one was $1.4 million. This one is $850. Now let's continue the tour. And as you walk this way, you have a laundry room to my left here. Across from that, you have another full bathroom. This full bathroom comes with the quartz countertops as well, the same quill finish on the cabinets and black finishes on the handles, dual vanity and a fixture up above. And the two-tone I love too. They use a lot of the two-tone in the rooms. Adds a really nice contrast. You have a linen closet here, and then of course your tub and your toilet kind of tucked away to the right. As you exit this full bathroom, to my right, you have another bedroom here. This is your second bedroom of the home. Comes with its own walk-in closet as well. And take a look at how much, like I'm standing right here and you can see the window. If I put my hand up, it's pretty much all the way to the top and all the way down here as well. And each room in this house has 4 pot lights, but you can add or take away however you'd like as well. One of the things that Pulte does really well is the home is very, very customizable. So you can pick and choose whatever you want and kind of create it your own way. And then here you have your third bedroom of the home. Very spacious bedroom. This is a pretty decent sized bed here. Plenty of room to walk on both sides. You have a window here. And then of course, look at this. All the walk-in closets of this house are pretty big. And now the best part of the upstairs, what we've all been waiting for, the primary suite. Now coming up those stairs from earlier, going down this hallway is your primary suite. You have tray ceilings here, pot lights on the ceiling. You have these massive 3 large casement windows at the back of the house, but you have curtains as well. You could even put curtains up here, get blackout windows for the nighttime, but bringing in a ton of natural light in the daytime. And if you haven't noticed, there's no closet in this specific bedroom because It's actually tucked away conveniently right over here. So as you come to your primary bathroom, which in itself looks amazing, you have your his and hers, or his and hers, however you want to do that. You have a tub with a window up above it, and of course, we do this every time, so we're gonna continue the tradition. Look at how much space is in this bathroom. You have, and take a look at this detail. These tiles have like a wood finish on them. And then below me, you have stone tiles as well. And then as you exit this, to my right, you have that walk-in closet. And when I say this is big, I mean huge. This is probably like 11 foot, 11 to 12 feet by 4 or 5 feet. You can make this into your own room. You can literally fit like a twin size bed here, maybe have a shelf over here, and then like a TV right there. Crazy. And now there's only one thing left, which is that deck that I talked about earlier. So let's go take a look at that. And now we are outdoors on your own private deck. This is a great space for the summertime. There's a lot you can do with this. You can add a barbecue grill here. You can add some chairs, maybe even a hammock here. You could even put like a high-rise table here at the center, so that way you can enjoy some nice company, chill with your friends, and eat some really good food. And then of course you have a huge backyard and plenty of room in the side of the house as well. And that completes the home tour.